Saturday morning, December 3rd, about to hit the Hoonigan toy drive, about to get it cracking. Fenders installed. Cheers! Thanks to my pops for doing the body work on them and getting them right and painting them. So now the car is looking nice and complete.
They making dollars, blow minds full time like a Rhodes Scholar. Suit up, armor like I'm all rider. Glowed up, I drop jaws, make it say ah. I'm gonna show you how a queen become a legend. I'm gonna show you how to live a life to 10. I'm gonna show you how can we become a legend. I'm gonna show you how we gonna win the crown. Legend, legend, how can we become a legend? Legend, ooh. Legend, legend, how can we become a legend? Legend.
So we made it, we're all lined up. Cars unloaded, all cleaned up, ready to go. Now we're just waiting to get up in here. Park. We cracking.
Legend, legend, how we become a legend. Legend, ooh. Legend, legend, how we become a legend. Legend, legend, legend. Fierce, I ain't to be trifled with. My attitude so jacked that I loaded a rifle with it. I can't be stopped, I'm a juggernaut anarchist. I can't look backward, looking forward to greatness. Hit so hard, I changed the name of the game. Nothing come close, no one ever the same. Legend, the making, fly like a brave. Showing off boss while I'm setting the pace. I'm gonna show you how a queen become a legend. I'm gonna show you how to live a life to 10. I'm gonna show you how can we become a legend. I'm gonna show you how. I'm gonna show you how. I'm gonna show you how a queen become a legend. I'm gonna show you how to live a life to 10. I'm gonna show you how can we become a legend. I'm gonna show you how. I'm gonna show you how. Legend, legend, how can we become a legend? Legend, ooh. Legend, legend, how can we become a legend? Legend, 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 how we become a legend? Legend, ooh. Legend, legend, how we become a legend? Legend, legend, legend.
Oh shit, what's up, dude? What's up, dog? Nice to see you guys.
I'm gonna show you how a queen become a legend. I'm gonna show you how to level up to 10. I'm gonna show you how can we become a legend. I'm gonna show you how to level up to 10. I'm gonna show you how. I'm gonna show you how. I got the skills, they making dollars. Blow minds full time like a Rhodes Scholar. Suit up.
Bro, stoked.
Damn, you're repping, that's right. I
Gotta
forgot to
be.
put my booty hustler shirt on. We out here. Living life.
Armor like I'm all rider. Glowed up, I drop jaws, make it say ah. I'm gonna show you how a queen become a legend. I'm gonna show you how to live a life to 10. I'm gonna show you how can we become a legend. I'm gonna show you how we gonna win.
one's mine. #1 supporter. There's my #1 supporter. Oh, no little baby. Look at you, you fly guy.
With my attitude so jacked that I loaded a rapper with it. I can't be stopped, I'm a juggernaut anarchist. I can't look backward, looking forward to
Hey.
greatness. Hit so hard, I changed the name of the game. Nothing come close, no one ever the same. Legend, the making, fly like a brain. Showing off boss while I'm setting the pace. I'm gonna show you how a queen become a legend. I'm gonna show you how to level up to 10. I'm gonna show you how can we become a legend. I'm gonna show you how. I'm gonna show you how. I'm gonna show you how a queen become a legend.
Hey, how you guys feeling today? Vibes are high or what?
I'll tell you what the vibes are like today,
Hey,
sir. We are here at Tire Slayer Studios for the. Look at that shake cam. Look at that shake cam. We're bringing it back. Are you having a good time?
Vibes are high, baby. You know the deal. Got the E30 drift truck over there, ready for my episode soon. So let's go, baby. Woo!
Should he do some burnouts today?
Should I? Cause I will. I'll light those tires up to.
How a queen become a legend. I'm gonna show you how to level up to 10. I'm gonna show you how can we become a legend. I'm
Out here, boy.
Hell yeah.
gonna show you how. I'm gonna show you how. Legend, legend. How a queen become a legend. Legend. Ooh, legend, legend. How a queen become a legend. Legend. Legend, legend. How we become a legend. Legend. Ooh, legend, legend. How we become a legend. Legend, 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 legend.
Cracking.
I was talking about.
That NSX right there?
Yes, sir.
That shit flies. That shit
Our
flies.
boys.
What do you guys think? What you think?
It's just cracking, bro. Hoonigan headquarters. We out here, bro. Good ass turnout. Toy drive. We out here. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, this fool look like he's stealing something from my car. Should we get?
How a queen become a legend. I'm gonna show you how to level up to 10. I'm gonna show you how can we become a legend. I'm gonna show you how to level up to 10. I'm gonna show you how. I'm gonna show you how. I got the skills, they making dollars. Blow minds full time like a Rhodes Scholar. Suit up, armor like I'm all rider. Glowed up, I drop jaws, make it say ah. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm gonna show you how a queen become a legend. I'm gonna show you how to level up to 10. I'm gonna show you how can we become a legend. I'm gonna show you how we gonna win the crown. Legend, legend, how a queen become a legend. Legend, ooh, legend, legend, how a queen become a legend. Legend, legend, legend. How we become a legend, legend, ooh, legend, legend. How we become a legend, legend, legend.
Get after it, man. Oh shit.
shredded this John. Literally, we didn't come to drift and hit the pit or the hoonigan burn box in the back, the little section, but literally I just like light it up or what? Yeah, bro, just send that shit. So I literally just burnt the tires down, literally got this shit in 4th gear. Stock M50 non-vanos, just headers and an intake, 410 diff, BCs, SLR, the whole works. Let's go.